Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar, type Files and download this free app from Google. Then open it. Now choose Continue and tap on Allow. Then click Clean at the bottom left corner and over here you will see Clean under junk files. You have to click on it, then click Clean again, and as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!